हम लोग आशिकी 3 के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. कुछ नहीं शुरू है आशिकी 3 के बारे में.
This is out of the way. Alia, I think you see a few familiar faces in the crowd. Your good friends from the press who have been so kind to you all of these years.
Yeah, no. Firstly, I'll say sorry क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से वेट करो मेरे को पता है. पर संडे है, नाइट में शूटिंग कर रही थी तो लेट हो गया थोड़ा सा. बट थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर. आई थिंक टुडे इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल डे. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ओकेजन है. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि कपड़े बहुत अच्छे हैं, शॉपिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, स्पेशली एक्ट्रेसेस, स्पेशली सेलिब्रिटीज. वी ऑलवेज वांट टू शॉप एंड एज अ यंगस्टर तो बाप रे हम चाहे शॉप. But not many people get that opportunity to just go all out and buy whatever they want. So I think the concept of street store put together by Top Notch and supported by Anmol Jewellers and Smile Foundation, I think is a great idea. पहली बार actually I've heard of something like this. मुंबई में तो पहली बार हुआ. There is a pop-up for the underprivileged. And I think मैंने भी कपड़े डोनेट किया है. मैं तो अगर मेरा जी करे तो मैं पूरा वार्डरोब डोनेट कर दूंगी क्योंकि इतने कपड़े हैं मेरे पास. बट आई थिंक आई एम स्टार्टिंग स्मॉल एंड होपफुली दिस कैन बिकम एन एनुअल थिंग एंड वी कैन जस्ट पुश दिस हायर बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड बी प्रिविलेज्ड इनफ टू वेयर व्हाटएवर दे लाइक एंड हाउएवर दे लाइक इट. आई ऑल्सो लव यू. गो वॉच माई फिल्म.
Well, we've gathered here today not to talk about your film though, even though it's been under a lot of criticism.
हाँ. No, I'm glad you asked this question क्योंकि I think as a child only my mother instilled those values in me and my sister that whenever we would clean out our closet we would give our clothes to an ashram. There's a club called the Pavement Club that I support very dearly. It's in town, nurtured by my grandmother. They're all students and kids from the pavement who don't have the kind of privileges that we have. So whether it's donations, clothes, anything that you think is very valuable to you can be 10 times more valuable to them. So starting off like that as a child, today I can maybe come here and take a stand for it and hopefully inspire other people to also do the same. But yes, in the future, I would not want to only stop here. With regard to fashion and charity, I think a lot can happen. And hopefully I can combine those two together and really kill it and bring a smile on people's faces. Yes, I think it's very important to take from one hand and then give from the other hand. You have two hands, you take from the left hand, you give from the right hand. The givingness in a person should be way more than what you take from people. And it's easier said than done, but I think if you start instilling those values in yourself as a child and as a kid, then maybe you can take that forward as an adult and pass that on to your kids as well. See, all I want to say is that Anurag Kashyap put out a tweet of all the information that is true and that is related to this topic right now, which is, and there was nothing mentioned of the cuts. It was just that the film is moved on to the revising committee and the due process is on. I think apart from that, it'll be wrong for me to say anything because this is actually what is happening. So let's wait and watch and hopefully everybody will be happy.
Way the censor board has really targeted.
Today is all about smiling. So I'm going to smile about the street store pop-up. I'm sure you'll have a lot of questions answered very soon, but today let's keep it to this. I think what I want to appeal, starting from now, maybe today is the pop-up, but I think an awareness that, as I said before, that you take from one hand and you give from the other hand. So hopefully we can, this is what, if I'm not mistaken, the 450th, the 400? The 49th. This is the 49th, 449th pop-up, street pop-up that has happened now in Mumbai. So it's just the beginning. We can really take this. It's happened once in Bangalore. Now it's happening in Mumbai. It's happening in Hyderabad as well. We can take it to Delhi, Pune, wherever. Basically bring the awareness of the street store and just basically whenever you're cleaning out your closet, think of another person and not just like, oh, मैं अपने दोस्त को दे दूँगी. There are other people who may require it as well. अगर ये चाहते कि मैं जुड़ी रहूँ तो मैं जुड़ी रहूँगी, but I'm sure there are many people जिनके साथ they'll want to collaborate in the future. I'm sure. But it's a start. Also, it's a special event because I know Kashish and Abdul for a very long time. We have been friends for many years. So today, for me to be here supporting their event is a double special thing, and I'm really excited and happy that people are doing these things nowadays. और इतना prime location जो मिला है कार्टर रोड पे, वो भी Sunday पे, I think is a great thing.
आपने कहा कि आपको शॉपिंग करना बहुत पसंद है, कभी आपने स्ट्रीट स्टोर से कभी शॉपिंग की है? कोई
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
कभी अच्छा स्ट्रीट स्टोर एज इन लाइक दिस द स्ट्रीट स्टोर और जस्ट इन जनरल लाइक अ फ्ली मार्केट? हाँ, बहुत शॉपिंग किया है. मैं बहुत बोहो हूँ. आई एम अ बोहो चिक. तो बोहो यू कैन फाइंड इन फ्ली मार्केट्स. आई लाइक बाइंग दिस लिटिल एक्सेसरीज. कभी कुछ डब्बा मिल जाता है जिसमें मैं ज्वेलरी रखती हूँ. You get a lot of these opportunities, especially Goa में the night market is beautiful. जब मैं शूटिंग कर रही थी वहाँ पे for गौरी शिंडे's film, we went to the night market. और हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे और बीच बीच में शॉट के बीच में एक मिनट I was going and buying one thing, then going back and then leaving the shot and then going and buying one thing. So I'm not a shopaholic, but I love to shop. I love clothes. और हाँ, I mean I'll look for the next opportunity. कोई डिफरेंस नहीं रहता. आई ओनली लुक्ड कि मेरे को अच्छा लगना है कि मैं क्या खरीदूं. Wherever I am, whether I'm in a market or when I'm in a mall.
After this last question,
So Alia, what brings smile on your face, like genuine happiness? What brings you genuine
I think watching the little kids smile brings the biggest smile on my face. And today they were very cute. सब लोग एक लाइन में मेरे साथ चल रहे थे, फिर एक लाइन में पीछे खड़े थे. And very well behaved, I must say, and very sweet. So I think for everybody, yeah, when you see a child and like जो genuine खुशी उनके चेहरे पे दिखती है, there's nothing like it in that world, in the world. So that will definitely bring a smile on my face.
आलिया, आप बॉलीवुड से बिलोंग करती हैं, बहुत सारे आपके फ्रेंड्स
अच्छा,
हैं.
बॉलीवुड से बिलोंग करती हूँ.
कितने अपने दोस्तों को आप इन्वॉल्व करेंगे इस कॉज से, और किससे किससे जुड़ने के लिए कहेंगे? आप अपने तरफ से कितना इनिशिएटिव लेंगे? वरुण,
हाँ, सबको इन्वॉल्व करूंगी. सबके पास बहुत कपड़े हैं, सब बहुत गुड लुकिंग इंसान हैं, उनके पास बहुत अच्छे क्लोथ्स हैं. देन आई एम श्योर दे शुड टू पीपल. I think it's for the underprivileged. So it can be for kids, it can be for the homeless, it can be whoever. Whatever you find in the streets. So which is why we should urge everybody, not only me, old people, young people, middle-aged people, whoever, just give and donate whatever you can from your closet, and you have a beautiful store. हैं? हम लोग आशिकी 3 के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. कुछ नहीं शुरू है आशिकी 3 के बारे में. We will when we work, that time we'll talk about it, ना? Tanmay has made. What are you saying? Talk about smiley things, no? Tanmay also makes you laugh. Look at his funny videos. उनके videos बहुत funny है.
and on that laughing note, we would like to end this Q&A. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you so much, Alia.
No, thank you guys. Sunday है, मेरे को पता है सब बाहर आए हो Sunday के दिन पे. So अभी घर जाके चाट खाना. मैं भी घर जाती हूँ. और
Thank you so much, Ishu uncle.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Rajiv Shukla. Thank you so much. And thank you all you people for being here.